How's it going, guys? Craig with S&B. Today I'm going to walk you through an install on a 2006 Chevy LBZ. Okay, we're gonna start by disconnecting the MAF sensor, and next we're going to remove the intake tube using a 5/16 or 8mm here, and the connection to the mouthpiece. Once this is loose, you can remove this tube from the truck. All right, with the factory intake tube already removed, we're going to lift up on the OE air box. There'll be a couple grommets that you got to pull out, and this should all come out in one piece. Okay, so this truck had a competitor intake in it already, so there will be a plate down here that has 5 screws that attaches the air box to the truck. So that will be removed by removing these 5 screws here. And also there may be a plastic shield on this side, which was already removed. You'll want to remove that as well. It just pulls out from the side. Okay, next we're going to prep the new S&B airbox. We're going to put our tube seal in. This just snaps in. After we get that in, we're going to do the fender seal. Okay, next we're going to remove the MAF sensor with a T15 Torx and transfer this to the new S&B tube. Okay, using the supplied hardware, we're going to mount the MAF sensor to the S&B tube. First putting down the gasket, then the plate. We're going to face our MAF sensor away from the S&B logo. Everything should line up, tighten it down. Okay, so we're going to transfer the filter minder to the S&B tube. That's if your truck is equipped with the filter minder or not. We also supply a plug if you choose not to run the filter minder. It would go in there. This truck has one, so we're going to use the supplied grommet. We don't like customers relying on the filter minder to do the maintenance on the filter, and in most cases it's not going to work correctly because we're less restrictive than the OE. Okay, we're going to install the new airbox assembly. Slide this down into position. There should be 3 holes that line up on the cross member. So we supply 2 screws. You can reuse one of the OE ones, and we're going to tighten them down with a 10mm. Okay, you have the option of putting this airbox plug in We recommend putting it in if you're in extreme conditions, hot, cold, or snow. For this install, we're just going to leave it out. Okay, we're going to install the S&B air filter into the air box. Make sure you rotate the clamp so that you can get to it once the tube's installed. Okay, we're going to install the hose clamps onto the coupler onto the intake tube. Okay, with the coupler on, we're going to put it over the, actually slide this into the air box first, and then we're going to slide it onto the turbo inlet. And then we're going to tighten all of our clamps. Okay, before tightening at the mouthpiece, we're going to put the air filter on and tighten this hose clamp first. You may have to loosen the clamp a little bit to get it on there. Your flat side of the air filter is going to be facing the lid, and then just position the hose clamp to where you can get at it when it comes time for cleaning. Next, we're going to tighten all the hose clamps up at the mouthpiece. I like to hide the screws but still be able to get to them. Okay, next we're going to reconnect the MAF sensor. Okay, next we're going to install the snap-in lid, peel the protective covering off, and this notch here goes where the tab is there. So you're going to slide this into the groove all the way around, then we'll snap it into the airbox. Okay, if you happen to live in the great state of California, this carb sticker will go near the intake, about this location. Okay, so super easy install. If you have any other questions about S&B products or this product in specific, give us a call or email, and thanks for watching.